Hey guys, Martin here, welcome back to the channel. This is sort of like an unboxing, but it's been unboxed, it came in a package. Came in an envelope, like the opening of an envelope. But anyway, it's from the guys at ProTube. They were kind enough to send me their Pro Grip strap for the Quest 2 controllers. Also able to use on their ProTube gun stock gun stocks. Yeah, you can use it with them as well. But yes, I was lucky enough to get sent these. This is how you attach it. First, you attach the little block clip here to the bottom of your controller, where the where it goes in there, and then you just attach this end. This end here slides inside. Oh wait, you see the bump there on the controller? It slips around that like so. Okay, and then you just replace the, hold on a second, you just replace hold on, I need to try and get it here. There we go. Okay, it's just a bit fiddly trying to do it from like second the other way around. So you get your strap, then you get your body, and then you just slide your body pack. Hold on. That came out back on. There we go. So just slide that in there. Close your body. Make sure it's in before you try and close your body container, and slip it up to the closing position. Hold on. There we go, you see? So it kind of holds it in there firmly. You got it? And then you have one strap here, which attaches like the one that attaches at the bottom. And you have your hand pad here that straps around the back of your hand here. You then pull bottom one to tighten, and then you can hold that up like so. And then your top one, you just pull slightly just to get it back into place. Came out, always comes out, it's a bugger. You may need to like get some adhesive or something to hold it in, because it slips quite a bit. But once you get it, it should be fine. Hold on a second. Just close the body part there. Take this round. Close that. Stick that on there. So tricky. So if you can get it in and closed, like so, there we have it. And you just slide your hand in. Okay, and then just, like I say, pull the bottom, bring it around, and there we have it. Nice, comfortable, perfect gaming position. So yeah, I will leave a link to the guys at ProTube, where you can pick them up, where you to try out yourself. They are super comfy, and you can shake your hand quite well. Hold on a second. Get it in. There we go. Now we got the other one on as well. Just let me. Oh, wrong hand, Dotty. The left hand. This is the left hand one. And there we go. See, left hand. Nice and comfortable. I'll just get the right one on. Hold on. Tricky. If they came with a little adhesive bit on the bit, the black plastic, that would be perfect. But they don't, so you may have to add your own one. But otherwise, you have it's quite tricky to do when you've got like 2 hands full. And you just attach your strap here. There you go. 2 nice, comfortable. It's nice soft pad. It's here. This side's a wee bit rough, so you can't see it well. I'll take it off. This side here is slightly rough for the Velcro to stick on, like that. But the underneath of the pad is nice and soft. It's got a good bit of sponge in there, so they're comfortable for when you slide your hand in. You're ready to go. And it's even got the nice ProTube VR logo on it. So yeah, so when you're going to like use your like playing Onward or whatever you play, you can hold it nice. But it also attaches to, like I said, the gun stock, using the Velcro at the bottom. I don't have a gun stock. Wink wink. Guys at ProTube. Nice little starter pack, thank you. They attach to there and they can be left on. So you can just have it on while you're using the gun stock as well. I can't really talk about the gun stock because, like I say, I don't have one, but there's videos on YouTube showing how to attach the straps to the gun stock via the controllers. But for what they are, they're very good, very comfortable, light too, so there's no extra weight to the controllers. Yeah, it's got a wee bit of knuckle protection in it too. Depends on where you have it on your hand, really. But you know, if you're like to walk it against a wall or whatever, I suppose you could get a wee bit of protection there. So I've rambled on enough, I suppose. So yeah, huge thank you to the guys at ProTube for sending me these. Once you get the swing of putting them on, they fit, they're fine. And because of the width of them, once they're on, they will slip into your docking stations or whatever you have until the next time you use them. So thank you very much for joining me in my kitchen. Hope you get yourself a pair. For the price of them, they're good. All prices and stuff are on the website, so you can check everything out there. And until the next video, I'll see you there. Bye bye.